Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Grand Trunk Hangout Hammock frame. So I want you to see how I arrange my pieces on the ground here. All right, one more time. All right, so this is the top piece. This clips to here. This piece here. There, you can see there's the spring. I'm going to turn that around. Clip that in there. Now I'm going to take this piece here and slide this into the groove. Take this piece here, slide this into the groove. Take this piece here, slide it into the groove. Take this piece here, slide it into the groove.